Hey, good day, Dr. Mike here. Alright, so why is there a popping sound when a joint is adjusted? Well, because in the joint we have a cavity. The cavity is filled with gas bubbles, also known as synovial fluids. So when we do an impulse of an adjustment, which is the bone out of place, it makes a popping sound. Now, the myth about cracking your knuckles, grandma says don't do it because you're going to get your knuckles all crooked, it's not true. So again, with the adjustments, what we're trying to do is that we're trying to find the subluxation, again, bone out of place. So this is what a bone out of place looks like, this little red box. So it puts pressure on the soft nerves that leaves the spine. Again, causes subluxation, bone out of place, causes diseases, and causes symptoms, which is pain. Okay. So here at the office, we use a few techniques, and one also technique that we use an instrument. And we actually could put this in a specific area in your spine with the bones out of place and apply this instrument, which does 12 impulses per second to actually move the bone without causing the popping effect sound, because some people don't like that. Alright, if you have any other questions, don't be shy, just go ahead and call the office. Alright, you have a great weekend. This is Dr. Mike, signing off.